Carson, do you like the pears? Do you like the pears?
You liked them the other day.
You don't like it? You want the cup?
He's like, let me have that, I'll throw it out.
You don't like it? Do you want your sippy?
Can you see it? It's all over your mouth. I'll do it myself, Mom.
He starts acting up.